Are you interested in making DIY items? And what if it has a practical use? Will you be interested? If the answer is yes, then welcome to the series of making clock using mechanical gears from Blix. Hello friends, this is Shankha from DigiKids and I am going to be your host in this series. Not only learning gear, in this series we are going to talk about block coding, we'll make a PictoBlocks project and many more. So let's see what are the things waiting for us. Do you like to make a perfect clock that is going to tick every second perfectly? Then this session is not for you. In this session we are going to learn the gear and what could be the best way to learn the gear other than clock, because daily you see a clock ticking in front of you. So that's the purpose, that's the agenda of this session. We are going to learn how the gear works and many other things, and by that we are going to make a clock that will be almost perfect but not accurate, and hope you are okay with that. And definitely there will be feeling of accomplishment, because finally you are going to make a clock and you can match with the real clock and you'll see fair enough accuracy. So that's the purpose and how we are going to plan. In this whole session we are going to plan into few parts. The first part will be measuring the motor speed, because to make a clock we need to find out our main motor, how fast it's moving. Once we find out the speed, then we can determine how fast our second needle, our minute needle and our hour needle is going to rotate to get that exact 1 second, 1 minute or 1 hour feeling. Then we are going to find out what is the exact RPM every needle needs, because the second needle will move obviously faster, then minute needle, and then finally hour will be the slowest one. Next we will see how to achieve those speed by calculating gear ratio, because we are not going to make motors for each of the needles. That's going to be hard and we are not going to learn the gear in that way. So we will learn the gear and we will use the single motor and we will reduce the speed to match the need of each 3 needles, and then finally we will see a working model. So are you excited? See you in the next video. Bye bye.